I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating the frame and defining the grid so layout stays consistent. This immediately reduces guesswork. Once you have the frame size, add an 8px layout grid and columns if you expect responsiveness. Make sure to decide the date format, the week start day, and month naming now. That way components you build later map cleanly to content. This first step puts structure under the calendar and prevents rework when you add the grid, headers, and interactive pieces next. You now construct the modular pieces, a header component with month controls, a weekday row, and a day cell component that has variants for default, selected, disabled, and today. Use auto layout to keep each row aligned and enforce a 7-column structure so days align perfectly. Set consistent spacing and padding so cells don't shift. Once done, populate an instance's grid of day cells inside the frame and bind text layers to your date, tokens, or arrays. You finish by wiring interactions for month navigation and day selection. Use Smart Animate for smooth transitions or Instant for simple switches, and ensure the header updates the grid logically. Then test the component across frame sizes, verify contrast and focus states, and confirm keyboard navigation works if needed. If something goes wrong, first check variant naming and auto layout constraints. Misalignment often comes from inconsistent padding or an incorrect week start setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.